So the first program was print. Hello world. Print is a based-in function. In Python, print is a function that occupies text to console. For example, hello world. Print is the keyword that Python understands because it's built like that. Next, the parentheses. These two things, since print in function in Python 3, it requires parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we specify what we want to display. Like the display here is hello world. Hello world is the display. The text hello world. The text inside the parenthesis is a string encapsulated in double quotes. Strings can also be encapsulated in string quests, like these two here. These both are what? Quotes. So this whole program is one Python program for beginners. It's the easiest program ever. Thank you.
Thank you, Ridham. Let's give him a big round of applause.